Hello everyone. I wanted to make this video to show you all how you all will be able to submit your daily attendance check-ins as well as any assignments that we will assign online. So if you come to our website, and I will send out the link on Remind, it's also in the PowerPoint presentation that we will show you and send to you on Remind. But when you get to our website, this is what the homepage looks like. There are tabs up here and kind of tell you everything, or there are places you can go depending on what you need. So when you are checking in for your attendance every day, you go to the attendance tab right here. And once you get to the attendance tab, there is a morning check-in and an afternoon check-in. So every morning we will have our morning meeting at 8:45, and that will be a Zoom call, and every student will be able to participate in that. Before you get on to the Zoom meeting, you need to check in. If for some reason you're running a little late and you come to the Zoom meeting and you haven't filled out your check-in yet, do it as soon as our morning meeting is over. So once you get to this tab, you're going to see morning check-in. You will just click on that. And it's going to take you to your morning attendance check-in, and you'll click on it. And what you're going to do is type your name, or your child will type their name. So I'm going to use my name, Rose Hay. Are you ready to work today? Yes, I sure am. And then you're just going to click Submit. And once you do that, you are good until your second check-in for the day. And that is going to be as soon as you're finished with your small group Zoom call with us. So whatever time we have scheduled for you, after you're finished with that, you will click afternoon check-in, and you'll do the same thing. If for some reason you can't make it to the Zoom meeting that day, or something happens, just make sure that we have that check-in before 1 o'clock. So you'll just do the same thing, click afternoon check-in. It'll come up the same way. You'll click on it again, and your child will just type their name again and submit. All right, so that's how you'll check in every single day. So the first one will be by 8:45, and the second one will be by 1 o'clock. If you have any questions, please let us know.